Learning occurs through feedback. In the maze, the group experience this with all of their senses. In this way, the team becomes a self-learning system. Only the trainer knows the one true path through the invisible labyrinth. The delegates must discover this path step by step so that at the end, everyone can find their way through the labyrinth. But beware, making a wrong move that could have been avoided costs money, and the budget is limited. After a short period of planning, speaking is no longer allowed. Body gestures and hand signals only. If delegates step on the wrong field, that is not a mistake, it's necessary to find the right way. When delegates step on a correct field, they can keep going until they make a wrong step. Then they have to go back, following the same route that they came. If, however, someone makes the same wrong step again, the group must pay a penalty. Too many of these mistakes, and the budget gets used up. Therefore, the whole group must learn to find the correct path. When doing so, it's essential to give mutual support if one of the team members loses orientation. The maze can also be used in other ways. The flip variant is a popular energizer. The group has to turn the cloth underneath its feet without stepping off. This requires physical contact and a strategic approach. For the fold variant, the group members must estimate how many times they will manage to fold the cloth underneath their feet, again without stepping off. The maze is a wonderful tool for exploring failure cultures and learning through feedback. In team development, it becomes clear that weaker group members must be integrated. In so doing, the whole team needs to constantly adapt to new situations. For organizational development, it becomes clear that rapid feedback is essential for development and success. Managers can learn how important it is to recognize the needs of their employees and at the same time how to deal with complexity. And of course, this tool can also be used in many other areas. The maze is suitable for small and medium-sized groups.